Hey everyone, it's Dan with the HomeCraft team. I'm here at our newest listing in Westland. This one is absolutely stunning. You're gonna love it. Let's go check it out. This one is a stunning end unit Cape Cod style condo with 3 bedrooms, 2 full and 1 half bath, first floor owner's suite, and first floor laundry with a 2-car attached garage.
You got me singing. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You make me feel like Michael Jackson.
Little mama, you a PYT, dangerous. The way you call my EYE, shorty bad, made me wanna hit the rewind. See you run it back. I'm with you till I DIE, baby. You could be my dirty Diana. You know I'm the only one that you really a fan of. Tell them other boys beat it. You are not alone. I'll be that low.
Thank you for viewing our video. We hope you love the tour. If you have any specific questions or you'd like to schedule a private tour, reach out to any one of our team members at 734-329-0123.
Well, and I'ma take you to the moon. So baby, here's the deal. Me and you should chill, cause the way you make me feel like